Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to find page ID in WordPress, which is also called post ID. First of all you have to do is open your WordPress website. After opening the website, all you have to do is sign in into your WordPress account with your admin credentials. Once you have done signing in, then what you have to do is click on the edit page section on the top. After that, you will see your URL section, and if you see post is equal to some number, and that specific number is the page ID or the post ID of that specific page. So if you're in your WordPress and browsing any page or any post, all you have to do just watch your URL section and see post is equal to the number, and that number is your page ID or the post ID of your WordPress website. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe.